All right, thanks for joining us. I'm Eliyahu Baron, this is my son Binyamin, and we're going to use a stirrup hoe to get rid of the weeds that are growing in the garden. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to show you how to look at how to use this stirrup hoe. Some people call it an action hoe. It has a number of different names, but it has this cool, well, it looks like a stirrup. This stirrup tip over here, okay? And we're basically going to rub it back and forth in the dirt, and it will basically rip out just chop off the grass right from the roots. Now, of course, we have to be careful around all of the actual plants, and that's what's helpful about this. It's not too wide, but we're going to use it here, and we're going to try to clear out some of this grassy stuff. And then after we pull it out, we'll use the little rakes to collect it and get rid of it. Let's get started. So you take it back and forth like this, and you just work it back and forth, and it really just does the work for you. Sometimes it's hard to tell because it's sitting here. That's why we'll rake it afterwards. Binyamin, why don't you rake some of these? Grass is out of the way. Okay, and then we have to be kind of careful around the actual plants.
Raking it.
And that's basically how it's done. So we're going to take different parts of the garden, and we're going to try to do this as quickly as we can. Good job. You see any more grass anywhere? So you can see, that it's a lot less grass. Now you still see the grass sitting on top of the dirt, so it's a little bit hard to tell if we got it all. And one thing also we need to know that if there are tap-rooted weeds in here, the stirrup hoe is not going to help. It's just going to clip them off and leave the taproot down below. So we're going to need a different tool.
I think that the box.
Thank you. Let me see. Yeah, he's a big helper. Thanks for joining us. This was our video on how we used a stirrup hoe to clear the grass and weeds in our garden. I'll continue to use this throughout the rest of the season. I hope this was useful to you. If you liked it, please leave a like, please leave a subscribe, please leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Love to hear from you. See you again next time. Thank you.